Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make a pair, Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a headband out of a pair of leggings. Just an ordinary pair of leggings that you can buy at Walmart, or maybe you already have in your wardrobe. So I am in the process of growing out my hair and letting the silver come in, so the roots aren't looking all that great right now. So I went to Walmart and I bought one of these scrunchy headbands, which I really like, but they only had it in pink. And I went to another Walmart, I could only find it in pink. And then I went to Target and I got this one, which is really cute and I like it a lot, but these are the only two that I have. So I decided I'm going to make my own. So I thought, let me get the fabric from Walmart. So I looked at the fabric and I didn't see any fabric I really liked. But then I was looking at the clothes and I saw the leggings and I was like, that's my fabric. That's the fabric I want. So I bought a pair of leggings and I made it into this headband that you see here. And this is a no-sew headband. But then I also made one that is very, very similar, but I did sew it. So this one has some seaming right here to hold it together, but it's really not necessary because they don't really unravel. It's a real fine knit and you just adjust it the way you want it so it looks good on your head. I bought a large size of leggings. I bought like double XL because I wanted a lot of fabric. So I bought another pair, this pair right here. So I'm going to show you how I did it, and I really like this fabric. So buy the fabric that you like. Whatever fabric you like, that's what you go for. I also cut the cuffs off and this now becomes a ponytail holder, which is great. Also with this bottom cuff, you can do something really cool as well. You can put it on your wrist and you can double it like that. Stick your finger through the hole, and now you have a pair of fingerless gloves. Now, these aren't really fingerless gloves that are going to keep you really warm. What these gloves are good for is if you get a gel manicure, you're protecting the back side of your hands. And I do my own gel manicures and I use the UV light so I can protect my hands with this fabric. And also, I can also put this in my car, and when I'm driving, use it as sunscreen protection. I do use sunscreen on the back of my hands, but this is an extra layer of protection. Super comfortable, super easy, and nothing is wasted on the leggings. And again, this is just the bottom of the leggings. So I'm going to show you exactly how I make the headband using this pair of leggings. So here are the leggings, and I'm just going to cut right across here under the crotch. And then I'm going to cut off the bottom cuff. This can become your ponytail holder. See, so already you have a ponytail holder, and you can just trim this up right here if you want. So here you have your legging material, and just kind of gather it like this and give it a good stretch, and then fold the ends in. The raw edges, you kind of want to fold those in. I'll take this one off. My hair might look a little crazy right now. I just took that off, but you just put it on your neck like this, which, by the way, it makes a super cute scarf. Like, look how cute this looks. I'm telling you, leggings are very versatile. And then you take it up like this and just arrange it the way you want. Kind of fix your hair. And there you go. And what's really cute, if you buy two pair of leggings, you can have the headband match your leggings. So cute. And then this piece, it can also be used, as I showed you before, you can double it like this and stick your hand through, and that can be your UV protection driving glove. Very versatile. Now, you can use these as shorts. If they're not your size, you can also cut off the waistband because you also have a lot of good material there, including elastic inside this. So super versatile. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope I inspired you to go to Walmart or maybe go in your own closet if you have a pair of leggings that don't fit you or you don't like them anymore, that you can go and make your own headband. It's great for yoga, working out. It does provide some sun protection too because it's covering your ears, or it's just a great fashion accessory. If you are growing out your silver hair like I am, it's great to kind of hide all that roots. So thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.